Hello and welcome. You see, anytime somebody sneezes, it's almost automatic that the word God bless you follows. But have you ever paused to ask why? Why not God bless you after yawning or coughing? Why only sneezing? Well, this small phrase actually has a big history. Back in the 6th century, there was a terrible plague sweeping through Europe. People were dying like flies, and one of the early symptoms of that sickness was sneezing. So, Pope Gregory the Great decided to encourage people to say, God bless you, anytime someone sneezes, as a short prayer, like, may God keep you from dying from this sickness. From that moment, the phrase stuck. But even before then, some ancient cultures believed that sneezing made your soul leave your body for a second, and saying God bless you was meant to protect your soul until it returned. Crazy, right? Next time you sneeze and someone says God bless you, don't just smile. Remember, that simple phrase started as a prayer of protection, not just politeness. Favor, know this and know peace. That is it for today. Don't forget, knowledge is everywhere. I'm Uncle Susu. See you in the next one.